We have been discussing lesson 4, payment books. Think our duty in accounting, we are going to provide information about the business organization to the interest party. Therefore, this is the way you have to think. All the business organization available employee, customers, supplier, manager, financial institutes, as well as government institutes. Those are the interest party of the business organization. Think this is a business. Those are the interest party of the business organization. In accounting, our duty, we are going to provide information to the interest party to take decision about the business organization. That is our duty. We are going to provide information to the interest party to take decision about the business organization. For provide information to the interest party, we have to prepare financial statement, income statement, statement of financial position, statement of changes in equity, statement of cash flow, accounting policies, and notes. Think those are the things we are going to prepare to provide information to the interest party about the business organization. Therefore, it is included assets, liability, income, expense, as well as capital available. Those are called elements of financial statement. All the business organization available, there are 5 parts: assets, liability, income, expense, as well as capital. Think components of financial statement. As a financial statement, we have to prepare financial statement to provide information to the interest party about the business organization. That is our duty. This is the way you have to think. Think business organization. Business can be divided by 3 parts: trading business, service business, as well as manufacturing business. Business and think organization. Organization can be divided mainly 2 parts: profit-making organization as well as non-profit organization. Non-profit example is for clubs. Profit-making organization further can be divided by 3 parts: sole proprietorships, only one owners available; partnerships, more than 2 owners available; company, more shareholders available. We are going to discuss about the business organization. Therefore, those are the business we are going to discuss. Those are the organization. Mainly can be divided by 2 parts: profit-making organization, non-profit organization. Profit-making organization further can be divided by 3 parts: sole proprietorships, partnerships, and company. Right. Therefore, our duty, we are going to provide information about the business organization to the interest party. For that, we have to prepare a financial statement. It is included assets, liability, income, expense, and equity. Therefore, all the transactions available in the business organization effect for 5 parts: assets, liability, income, expense, and equity. From the beginning, you have to recognize each and every transaction of the business organization effect for what? Think main transaction of the business organization, purchase and sales. Think like this: cash purchase, credit purchase, purchase return, cash paid for creditors, discount receipts. Cash sales, credit sales, sales return, cash receipt on debtor, discount allowed, bad debts. And think all the business organization available, loan available. Therefore, think related transaction, loan obtained, loan paid, additional capital available, and drawings available. Expenses, think rent expense. It was electricity available, telephone, advertisement, salary, insurance. There are 3 transactions: paid, not paid, and prepaid. Income available, think rent income, interest income, dividends income, commission income. Like that, there are more income available: received in cash, receivable, received in advance. All the business organization, think purchase related transaction, sales related transaction, and expenses related transaction, loan, additional capital, drawings, And non-current asset available, all the business organization available land, building, motor vehicle, office equipment like that, and furniture and fitting, non-current assets. Think purchase, disposal, revaluation, depreciation. Those are the related transactions available in all the business organization. Think our duty, think about business organization, think about transaction, and think our duty. Therefore, those are the business we are going to discuss on the level. Those are the organization. And this is our ultimate objective. We are going to discuss how to prepare those kind of financial statement. Right now, think theory, there are 16 lessons available. There are 16 lessons available. Mainly can be divided by two parts, financial accounts as well as management accounts. Think 16 lessons, type of accounting, financial accounts as well as management accounts. Under financial account, there are 12 lessons. Management account, 4 lessons. Out of 16, grade 12, we have to discuss there are 10 lessons. Grade 12. And grade 13, we have discussed there are 6 lessons. This is a structure. Those are the transactions. This is our duty. We have been discussing lesson 4, prime and books. We have discussed all the prime and books. We have discussed how to record cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, purchase return journal, and sales return journal, as well as petty cash payment journal. All the prime and books we have discussed already. Think in this lesson we have to discuss how to maintain ledger, general ledger, debtors and creditors ledger, sub ledgers. You have to know how to prepare trial balance. Then if it is not equal, error correction, adjustment. Right, lesson 4, this is the area we are going to discuss on lesson 4. Lesson 4. First one, you have to know source documents. Think receipts, payment voucher, debit note, credit note, sales invoice, purchase invoice, and journal vouchers. Source documents. Information about changes in resource of the business organization should be collected by using source documents. For paper anivaryamayana source documents. Receipts. Think checks and cash receipts. Should be record cash receipt journal, source document receipts. And payment by issuing checks should be record cash payment journal, source document payment voucher. And credit purchase should be record purchase journal, purchase invoice. If those are returned, think purchase return should be record purchase return journal, source documents, debit notes. And credit sales should be record sales journal, source document, sales invoice. And if it has given sales return, should be recorded sales return journal, relevant source document, credit notes. And general journal. Think all other transactions should be recorded general journal. Opening balances, closing entry, error correction, adjustment, non-current assets, purchase or sales on credit basis should be recorded general journal. Relevant source documents, journal vouchers. That part we have discussed already. And we have discussed prime and books also. Think cash receipt journal, we have discussed already. Cash payment journal and purchase journal, purchase return journal, and sales journal, as well as sales return journal and petty cash payment journal. Think petty cash payment journal as well as general journal. There are 8 primary books. All the transactions from the beginning, each and every business organization should be recorded in the primary books. We are going to prepare a financial statement. All the business organization from the beginning, each and every transaction should be recorded from the beginning in the primary books. That part we have discussed. කොහොමද තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ? මෙන්න මේ එක එක primary books වල මොනවද record කරන්න කියලා තේරෙන්න ඕනේ. මොන වගේ information ද? You have to know what kind of information should be recorded in the each and every primary books. That part we have discussed already. Think cash receipt journal. Only checks and cash receipts. Cash payment journal. Issue checks. Payment by issuing checks should be recorded cash payment journal. Purchase journal, credit purchase. intention with resales. Navata Vikunana Naitagatteva. Purchase return journal, think credit purchase if it has returned. Should be record purchase return journal. And credit sales should be record sales journal. If it has given sales return, should be recorded sales return journal. A small amount of expense paid in cash should be recorded petty cash payment journal. All other transactions not recorded in the special journal should be recorded in the general journal. 5 transactions. First one, opening balances, closing entry, error correction, adjustment, as well as non-current assets, purchase or sales on credit basis should be recorded general journal. That part we have discussed already. Think about area lesson 4. Then last week I have discussed how to maintain general ledger as well as sub ledgers. Very important these parts. Sub ledgers further can be divided by 2 parts, debtors ledger and creditors ledger. Think double entry system should be apply only general ledger. Double entry system should be apply only general ledger. Journal total value should be record general ledger. But debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. We have to apply single entry system. Therefore, debtors and creditors ledger trial balance cannot be prepared. Can be prepared debtor list and creditor list. Think for individual creditors accounts, we have to maintain creditors ledger, individual debtors account available debtors ledger. For that, we have to maintain only one ledger account in the general ledger. It is called debtor control accounts. Therefore, control account available general ledger. Individual debtors and creditors account available debtors ledger and creditors ledger. We have to maintain in the general ledger debtor control accounts and creditor control accounts. For individual creditors, we have to maintain only one ledger accounts in the general ledger, debtor control accounts. For individual creditors, we have to maintain only one ledger accounts. It is called creditor control accounts. Therefore, control account available general ledger. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. But debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. We have to apply single entry system. Therefore, debtors and creditors ledger cannot be prepared trial balance. Can be prepared debtor list and creditor list. Trial balance can be prepared only general ledger. One වෙනස්කම තේරුම් ගන්න try කරන්න. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. Therefore, trial balance can be prepared only general ledger. But debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. You have to apply single entry system. Therefore, trial balance cannot be prepared debtors and creditors ledger. We have to prepare debtor list and creditor list. If those are correctly recorded, debtor control account balance would be equal debtor list balance. Creditor control account balance would be equal creditor list balance. If those two balance not equal, next lesson, debtor reconciliation and creditors reconciliation. As well as if trial balance is not equal, error correction, suspense accounts, profit correction. On a discuss කරන්න area. We have discussed all the prime in books. Last week I have discussed some example how to maintain general ledger and sub ledgers. Right. We have to discuss further error correction if trial balance is not equal. Differential should be considered as a suspense accounts. On මෙතනින් suspense account එන විදිය තේරුම් ගන්න ඕන and error correction as well as profit correction and debtor reconciliation, creditors reconciliation as well as bank reconciliation. Those are the things we have to discuss under lesson 4 further. On අපි දැනටමත් discuss කරලා ඉවරුනේ මේ part එක විතරයි. Last week I have discussed how to maintain general ledger and debtors and creditors ledger. Today also I will discuss some example again. From next week I will discuss bank reconciliation, debtors and creditors reconciliation. මොකද මේ part එක තේරුම් නැති වුණොත් error correction part එක තේරුම් ගන්න අමාරුයි. Debtors and creditors reconciliation තේරුම් ගන්න අමාරුයි. Therefore, from the beginning you have to know how to maintain general ledger, debtors and creditors ledger. You have to know how to record information included in the prime and books in the ledger, general ledger as well as debtors and creditors ledger. Right. I will discuss some example again. ගාන බලන්න ඉස්සරහම. ඔන්න ළමයි මේ පාර්ට් එක වැදගත්. මේකෙන් තමයි error correction part එකයි debtors and creditors reconciliation profit correction part එක තේරෙන්නේ. That given all the prime and books, all the prime and books is given. We have discussed separately how to record each and every transaction in the ledger, but now it has given all the prime and books together. Right? It has given from the beginning purchase journal and purchase return journal, and it has given cash payment journal. Think cash payment journal, as well as cash receipt journal, sales journal is given, sales return journal is given, and think cash receipt journal, checks and cash receipts available, and given general journal also. Think general journal. ඔන්න ගාන පටන් ගන්න මෙතන ළමයි. මේකේ තමයි opening balance ටික තියෙන්නේ. And adjustment available. Sometime it has got an error correction also. And non-current asset purchase or sales on credit basis. ඔන්න ගානක් පටන් ගන්නේ general journal එකෙන්. It has given opening balances. Therefore, prepare the ledger account, take the balances as a BBF. ඔන්න මුලින්ම කරන්නේ opening balance ටික දුන්නොත් balance brought forward කියලා දාන්න ඕන. දැන් අපි කරන්න හදන දේ තමයි prime on the books වල record කරලා තියෙන information ටික ledger එකට post කරන්න යන්න. Therefore, you have to know how to maintain general ledger and debtors and creditors ledger. Right from the beginning, I'm going to discuss how to maintain general ledger. ඔන්න බලන්න තේරුම් ගන්න වැදගත්ම දේවල් තමයි double entry system should be apply only general ledger. But debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. Debtors and creditors ledger, we have to apply single entry system. Right. Think here debtor control account balance is given 800,000 and creditor control account balance is given 700,000. It has given additional 8. Composition is given. Think debtors, creditors, individual creditors opening balance is given. Opening balance. මේ ටිකේ total එක තමයි මෙන්න මෙතන මේ control account කියලා තියෙන්නේ. Think creditor control account balance equal here total amounts. And debtor control also same way. Debtor control account balance it has given general journal. It total values. Think control account balance equal total amount of individual debtors accounts. මේක අපිට වැදගත් වෙන debtors ledger, creditors ledger හදනකොට sub ledgers. Right. Think about requirements. There are 4 requirements. First one, prepare the relevant ledger accounts in the general ledger. On double entry system should be apply only general ledger. And prepare the trial balance in the general ledger. On පළවෙනි part එක general ledger. Then prepare debtors ledger and debtor list, creditors ledger and creditor list. ඔන්න මේ part එක තේරුම් නැති වුණොත් ඊළඟ part එක කොහොමවත් තේරුම් ගන්න අමාරුයි. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙහෙම රෙකෝඩ් කරනකොට වැරදුනොත් තමයි ඊළඟ පාඩම එන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ හරියට රෙකෝඩ් කරන විදිය තේරුණොත් තමයි මොකක් හරි වැරද්දක් වුණොත් ඒක හදන විදිය තේරෙන්නේ. තාම ක්ලියර් නැත්නම් අල්ලගන්න try කරන්න. Right. Start from the general journal. ඔන්න බලන්න 7ක් දීලා තියෙනවා. මේක මම petty cash විතරයි දීලා නැත්තේ. All other primary books available. එතෙන් අපි මොකද්ද මේ කරන්න හදන්නේ? එතකොට process එක තමයි මුලින්ම කරන්නේ transaction and events. Second one source documents. Third one primary books. Fourth one ledger. ඔන්න step number 4 වල ඉන්නේ අපි මේ. ඒ කියන්නේ primary books වල record කරලා තියෙන information ledger එකට post කරන විදිය මේ discuss කරන්න අපි. And you have to know how to prepare trial balance also. මෙච්චර කල් discuss කරේ how to record information in the primary books. Now you have to know how to record those information in the ledger. දැන් මේ යනකොට වරදිනවා තැන් 4කදී. When information recorded in the primary books, errors can be occur. When information recorded in the ledger accounts, errors can be occur. When balancing ledger accounts, errors can be occur. When preparing trial balance. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි මෙහෙම හදාගෙන යනකොට තැන් 4ක් තියෙනවා වරදින්න පුළුවන්. When information recorded in the primary books. අර primary books වල දානකොට වැරදුනොත් එතන ඉන්න දිගටම වරදිනවා. Then when information recorded in the ledger accounts. double entry දානකොට වැරදි entry එකක්, වැරදි amount එකක්, වැරදි පැත්තට යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒතර ගාන balance වෙන්නේ නැහැ. And when balancing ledger accounts ඔක්කොම හරියට කරලා ගාන balance කරනකොට වැරදිලා. Errors occur when balancing ledger accounts. ඒ ඔක්කොම කරලා when preparing trial balance. trial balance එකේ දානකොට වැරදි පැත්තට දාලා. වැරදි amount එකක් දාලා. වැරදි amount එකක් වැරදි පැත්තට දාලා. මොනවා වරදින පුළුවන් බලන්න. අන්නේම වැරදුනොත් තමයි ඊළඟ පාඩම එන්නේ. ඒතර ඒක තේරෙන්නේ රෙකෝඩ් කරන විදිය හරියට තේරුණොත්. Therefore from the beginning you have to know how to record each and every transaction in the ledger. General ledger, sub ledgers, debtors ledger and creditors ledger. Think double entry system. Right. Given from the beginning purchase journal ඔන්න දැන් මේ ටික රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න කලින් purchase journal මොකද double entry purchase account debit VAT control account debit total value creditor control credit අනිවාර්යෙන් මතක තියාගන්න ඕන amount එක තමයි purchase account debit වෙන්නේ VAT control account debits creditor control account credit purchase return also purchase return account debit VAT so purchase return account credit VAT control account credit creditor control account debits think effect for total value creditor control account debits double entry පාඩම් කරගන්න think cash payment journal total column total value cash control account credit as a total cash payments අනිත් ඔක්කොම debit වෙනවා VAT control account debit purchase account debit creditor control account debits expense separate ledger account debits and other also separate ledger account debits then discount is also given discount received account credit creditor control account debits double entry එක අනිවාර්යෙන් පාඩම් කරගන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් යන්න බෑ මෙතන ගියා මොකද error correction පාඩම ඊට පස්සේ අපිට තියෙන්නේ error correction එක තේරෙන්නේ රෙකෝඩ් කරන විදිය තේරිලා තිබුණොත් right things sales journal credit sales available amount එක sales account credit VAT control account credit debtor control account debit total value on double entry sales account credit amount එක VAT control account credit VAT value total value debtor control account debit things sales return also sales return account debit amount එක VAT control account debits VAT value total value debtor control account credit තමයි මේක දැනගන්න ඕනේ ඇයි අපි මේක රෙකෝඩ් කරන වැරදුනොත් ඊළඟ පාඩම එන්නේ ඒකෙන්. ඒ කියන්නේ රෙකෝඩ් කරන විදිය හරියට තේරිලා තිබුණොත් තමයි වැරදුනොත් මොකද්ද කරන්න කියන්නේ තේරෙන්නේ. sales account credit, VAT control account credit, debtor control debit. Sales return account debit, VAT control account debit, debtor control account credit. And then cash receipt journal also, cash receipt journal. Effect for cash increase, total value, total column, cash control account debit. All other ledger account credit. VAT control account credit, sales account credit, debtor control account credit, income separate ledger account credit, and other also separate ledger account credit. And given discount allowed also, discount allowed account debit, debtor control account credit. Double entry. Right on a prime invoice ටික. හැබැයි මුලින්ම අපි පටන් ගන්න ඒ වගේ නෙවෙයි මෙන්න මේකෙන්. General journal එක මුලින්ම ඉවර කරගෙන ඉන්න ඕන. It has given opening balances in the general journal. Therefore, prepare the ledger accounts, take the balances as a BBF. On when recorded information included in the primary books should be start from the general journal. ඔන්න ළමයි මෙතනින් තමයි පටන් ගන්න ඕන ගන්න. මෙතන තියෙන ගිය පාර closing balance. Those are became this opening balance. And adjustment also given. Hari. From the beginning, I'm going to discuss how to maintain general ledger. Then I will discuss how to prepare debtors and creditors ledger also. ඔන්න මුලින්ම trial balance එක වෙනකම් අපි general ledger එක ඉවර කරමු. Right, prepare the ledger accounts, motor vehicle accounts, building accounts, land accounts, fixed deposits, inventory. ඒ කියන්නේ opening balances තියෙනවනේ අපිට. අන්න ඒ ටික හැම එකක්ම ledger accounts ගහ ගන්න ඕන. And take the balances also as a BBF, as a balance brought forward. Right, think how to maintain general ledger and think how to prepare trial balance also. හරි මුලින්ම opening balance වලට ledger accounts ටික ගහ ගන්න. මේ ගාන හැදුවා නම් බලන්න හරිද කියලා. Right from the beginning, prepare the ledger accounts in the general ledger. අපි හදන්න මුලින්ම general ledger එක. I will discuss later details and creditors ledger also. Right from the beginning, general ledger. General ledger. At more space for data control, creditor control, as well as VAT control. Data control more space and creditor control as well as VAT control. Data control, this one data control and creditor control as well as VAT control and cash accounts. More space for that. Cash control. Prepare the ledger account from the beginning. Right, start from the beginning general journal. All other ledger accounts. Motor vehicle assets. Therefore, motor vehicle accounts. Motor vehicle building. හදන්න බලන්න. Building as well as land available. Land. Inventory also, fixed deposits. Fixed deposits. FD. Stock. You have to prepare separate ledger account for inventory also. Stock equal inventory. And data control prepare already. Cash control also okay. And bank loan accounts. Prepare the bank loan accounts. Bank loan. Opening balance sheet is given. And creditor control available as well as capital. Capital. From the beginning, record given balances as BBF. මේ ගාන මම හදනවා million වලින්. To maintain understandability, rupees million MN. Start from the general journal. Opening balances are given. Record those value as a balance brought forwards. මුලින්ම balance ටික දාගන්න. Prepare the ledger accounts. Start from the general journal. මේ part එක ළමයි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම තේරුම් ගන්න try කරන්න. මොකද මේක මත තීරණ වෙනවා direct lesson part එකයි details and creditors reconciliation. Right. Motor vehicle 350 asset. Debit side as BBF. Motor vehicle accounts. And building also 480 asset debit side BBF. Land 290 as a balance brought forward debit side. Fixed deposit also 410 as a balance brought forward. Inventory 250. Think previously closing stock became this year open stock. Data control accounts 800 as a BBF debit side. And cash control also 130 asset as a balance brought forward debit side. Balance brought forwards. And bank loan liability 1200 credit side as BBF. First one, take the balances. Those are available. General journal. Creditor control 700. Liability credit side as BBF. As a balance brought forward credit side. And capital account also given balance 810. Credit side as BBF. Balance brought forwards. On the following step. Information included in the general journal should be records in the ledger accounts and record given balance as a BBF. මේ ටික හැදුවේ නැත්නම් ඉස්සරම හදාගන්න. මොන ගාන හදන විදිය ළමයි. පටන් ගන්න ජෙනරල් ජර්නල් එකෙන් if it has given opening balance, prepare the ledger accounts and record given balance as a BBF. Record given balance as a BBF. Assets should be recorded debit side and liability as well as capital should be recorded credit side as a balance brought forwards. And given adjustment also, think bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit. Bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit. Illicit expense account debit, accrual illicit account credit. Those are cannot be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Double entry. Bad debts account debit as a debtor control credit as a bad debts. Right, record bad debts and illicit expense. Think bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit. Prepare the ledger accounts. Those are cannot be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Separate ledger account as a bad debts. Think bad debts. Bad debts account debit 70 as a debtor control. Here as a debtor control accounts. Debtor control account available. Debtor control account credit as a bad debts. You have to apply double entry system. Think bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit. And accrual electricity also same way. Think accrual electricity also same way. Bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit. Those are should not be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Adjustment. They think bad debts account debit as a debtor control. Debtor control account credit as a bad debts. Right, next one, illicit expense accounts. Think illicit expense account debit as well as accrual illicit account credit. Illicit expense account debit and accrual electricity, two separate ledger accounts. Electricity expense accounts and accrual electricity, two separate ledger accounts. Prepare the ledger accounts and double entry system should be applied. Double entry system. Those are should not be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Separate two ledger accounts. Electricity expense account debit, accrual electricity credit. Therefore, value equal 90,000. Therefore, electricity expense account debit 90, accrual electricity credit 90. Electricity expense account debit as accrual electricity, accrual electricity account credit as a electricity expense. Electricity expense account debit, accrual electricity account credit. Double entry system should be applied. Bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit. कारण general journal එකේ opening balance විතරක් නෙවෙයි තියෙන්නේ. කරුණු පහක් තියෙනවා ඇතුලේ. Error correction, sometime it is given, adjustment and non-current asset purchase or sales on credit basis. ඒ කියන්නේ මුලින්ම අපි කරන්න ඕනේ general journal එකේ තියෙන opening balance ටික දාගන්න ඕනේ as a BBF. ඊට පස්සේ double entry තිබුණොත් adjustment තිබුණොත් ඒව record කරන්න ඕනේ. Like bad debts account debit, debtor control credit. Electricity expense account debit, accrual electricity credit. Like that. ඔන්න දැන් general journal එක හරි. We are going to discuss how to maintain general ledger. General journal එක හරි දැන්. දැන් පටන් ගන්න මොලේ ඉඳන්. මේ ටික හැදුවේ නැත්නම් හදාගන්න. Record balances as a BBF. Then think purchase journal, purchase return journal, sales journal. Double entry ටික අනිවාර්යෙන් මතක තියාගන්න ඕන. Start from the general journal. It is include opening balances. Right, now start from the beginning. Purchase journal. When balance टिक දැම්ම නම් then purchase journal එකයි purchase return journal එක ඉවර කරන්න. Think how to record in the ledger. Purchase journal and purchase return journal. It has given additional first one and second one. Think double entry purchase journal. Purchase account debit. That control account debit. Creditor control account credit. Think amount purchase account debit. VAT value VAT control account debit. And total value creditor control account credit. And purchase return also. Purchase return account credit. VAT control account credit. And creditor control account debits. Think purchase return account credit. VAT control account credit. Creditor control account debits. මේවා අනිවාර්යෙන් මතක තියාගන්න ඕන. දැන් අපි කරන්නේ දැන් මොකද්ද මේ කරන්න හදන අපි? We are going, our ultimate objective we are going to discuss how to prepare financial statement. ඒ කියන්නේ හැම business එකම මේ යන විදිහට යන්න ඕන. මුලින්ම primary books වල record කරන්න ඕන. ඊට පස්සේ primary books වල තියෙනවා ledger එකට post කරන්න ඕන අපි. By using double entry system. Right, purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, creditor control account credit. Purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, creditor control account debits. You have to prepare purchase accounts and purchase return accounts. VAT control account available and creditor control also available. Right. Complete purchase journal and purchase return journal. Think purchase account debit, VAT control account debits. Prepare another purchase accounts. Prepare purchase accounts as well as purchase return accounts. Purchase account and purchase return accounts. Purchase return. I think purchase journal double entry. Purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, creditor control account credit. Amount purchase account debit, VAT value VAT control account debits, and total value creditor control account credits. මෙහෙම රෙකෝඩ් කරනකොට වැරදුනොත් තමයි ඊළඟ පාඩම එන්නේ. තමන්න purchase account debit වෙන්න ඕනේ. වැරදිලා credit පත්‍රය ගියොත් මොන ගාන balance වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Purchase account debit 2910 as a creditor control. VAT value VAT control account debit 580 as a creditor control. And total value creditor control account credit 3490 as a purchase. On a double entry balance. Purchase account debit, VAT control account debits, creditor control credit. Then ඔහොම දාන්න ඕනික වැරදිලා දැම්මොත්. නිකන් හිතන්න purchase account credit කළා කියලා. නැත්නම් VAT control credit කළා කියන්නේ ගාන balance වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Therefore double entry correct entry purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, creditor control credit. And think purchase return also. Purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, creditor control debits. Purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, creditor control debits. Right, purchase return credit 300 as a creditor control. It VAT value VAT control account credit 52,000 as a creditor control. And total value creditor control account debit 352 as a purchase return. As a purchase return. Think purchase return account credit. It VAT value VAT control account credit. මේ දෙකේම description දාන්නේ creditor control කියලා. And creditor control account debits as a purchase return. Complete කරගන්න. Purchase account debit, VAT control account debits, creditor control account credit. As well as purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, creditor control accounts debits. And then purchase එකයි purchase return journal එකයි හරි. දැන් යන්නේ cash payment journal එකට. Think cash payment journal double entry. If it for cash decrease මොන කල්ලි ගෙවුවොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. මේක මොනවද මේ තියෙන්නේ? payment by issuing checks. Again, expense වලට හරි purchase වලට හරි non current asset purchase කරන හරි ගෙවපුවා මේ දෙන්නේ. How to record in the ledger? Total value, total column, total value, cash control account credit. Reason, effect for cash decrease, asset decrease, cash control account credit, total column, total value, and all other ledger account debits. That control account debits, purchase account debit, credit control account debits, expenses separate ledger accounts. Again, elected accounts, advertisement expense accounts, loan installment. एक expense එකේ තියෙන loan interest එක, other එකේ තියෙන loan paid එක. Other payments and expenses separate ledger account you have to prepare. Elected expense account, advertisement expense account, loan interest accounts, building accounts, motor vehicle accounts, ඒවා වෙන වෙනම දාන්න ඕන අපි. හරි. Total column, total value. Effect for cash decrease, cash control credit, all other ledger account debit. And think discount is also given. Discount received is income. Effect for creditor decrease. Double entry, discount received account credit, creditor control account debits. Right, record it in the general ledger. For them, time and books are දාලා තියෙනවා අපි. Ledger deposit කරන්න ඕන. Right. Cash control accounts. Effect for cash decrease, credit, and all other ledger account debits. Record in the ledger accounts, cash control account prepare already. Therefore, cash control account credit, total column, total value. මේ තමයි cash control. Total column, total value 4,615. 4,615. Effect for cash decrease as a total cash payments. As a total cash payment. Total column, total value can be recorded at once. Then the VAT value, cash control credit, all other ledger account debits. VAT value 445 debit as a cash control. And think purchase column, total value, purchase account debit. Purchase account available, no need to prepare separate ledger account again. Purchase account debit as a cash. හැම එකම debit වෙන cash කියලා දැන්. And then payment for creditors, creditor control account debits. Value equal 1,900. Creditor control account debit as a cash. Think cash control credit total value. VAT value, VAT control account debits. Purchase account debit. Creditor control account debits. And expenses separate ledger accounts. Prepare electricity expense accounts, separate ledger account as electricity. As electricity expense. Electricity expense accounts, debit 120, separate ledger account as a cash. As well as advertisement also expense, separate ledger accounts. Advertisement. Advertisement account debit 270 as a cash control. And the loan installment, expense column available, loan interest. Therefore, you have to prepare loan interest accounts. Loan interest. Value equal 10. Debit side as a cash. पण මෙහෙම රෙකෝඩ් කරන වැරදුනොත් තමයි ඊළඟ පාඩම එන්නේ. එහෙනම් error correction තේරෙන්නේ රෙකෝඩ් කරන විදිය තේරුණොත් විතරයි. Think total value, cash payment journal, total column, cash control credit. VAT value, VAT control account debits, purchase account debit, creditor control debit, expense separate ledger account debits. And think other also, build-in purchase, separate ledger account available. No need to prepare separate ledger account again. Build-in account debits, motor vehicle account debits, loan account debits. Loan installment එක කොටස් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Expense column available, loan interest. Other column available, loan repayments. Right, build-in purchase 180, build-in account debits as a cash. And the motor vehicle purchase 250, motor vehicle account debit. 250 motor vehicle account debit as a cash. And think loan installment 40,000 loan account debits. Think bank loan available, loan account debit 40. That is a loan paid as a cash. As a cash loan account debit. The loan account available, bank loan 40 as a cash. This is a loan paid. Right. Discount receipt also available. Think discount receipt is income. Therefore, discount receipt effect for credit decrease. Separate ledger account as a discount receipts. Therefore, prepare ledger accounts as a discount receipts. That's income as a discount receipt. Discount receipt account credit 60 as a creditor control. And creditor control account debit 60 as a discount received. Think double entry system should be applied only general ledger. But then තේරුම් ගන්න try කරන්න එක එක prime in the books වල තියෙනවා ledger එකට post කරන විදිය. I have discussed separately, but now it is given together. Cash payment journal, cash control account credit, VAT control account debit, purchase account debit, creditor control account debit, and expense separate ledger account debit. Other also separate ledger account debits, building account debit, motor vehicle debit, loan account debits. But discount receipts, it is not effect for cash. Discount receipt is income. Discount receipt account credit, creditor control account debits. Right. Or then තුනක් ඉවරයි. Purchase journal, purchase return, as well as cash payment journal. And general journal also we have discussed. General journal. Right now think sales journal, sales return journal, as well as cash receipt journal. මේක තාම complete කරලා නැත්නම් complete කරගන්න. Think about discount receipt also. Very important these parts. Think part of lesson 4, prime in books, ledger, general ledger, debtors and creditors ledger. We have to discuss further band reconciliation, debtor reconciliation, creditors reconciliation, error correction, suspense account, profit correction. ඔය හැම එකක්ම තේරෙන්නේ මේ part එක තේරුණොත්. Right now think about sales journal. මේක record කරලා නැත්නම් record කරගන්න. You have to know how to prepare trial balance also. Think general ledger, sub ledgers. Lesson 4. There are 16 lessons we have discussed. Financial account, management accounts. Business වර්ග තුනක් තියෙනවා. Organization හතරක් තියෙනවා. හැම එකකම මේ විදිහට ඉන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට පේන තියෙන හැම business එකකම යන process එක තමයි මේ. Trial balance හදනකම් යන්න ඕනේ මේ process එකේ ඕනම business එකක්. Right now think about sales journal. Sales journal as well as sales return journal. Think double entry. Sales account credit. VAT value, VAT control account credit. Total value, debtor control account debits. And think sales account credit, VAT control account credit, debtor control account debits. Sales return account debit, VAT control account debits, debtor control account credit. Right, record it in the ledger accounts. You have to prepare two separate ledger accounts, sales account and sales return accounts. But debtor control available, VAT control available. Sales account credit, VAT control account credit, debtor control debit. Sales return account debit, VAT control account debit, debtor control accounts credit. Right. Record in the ledger accounts, prepare the sales account and sales return accounts. Prepare separate ledger account, sales and sales return. Cash sales also available. Therefore, sales accounts and sales return accounts. Sales return. I think double entry. Sales journal. Sales is income. Sales account credit. 4,900 as a data control. It VAT value, VAT control account credit. That is a liability. VAT control account credit 1,150 as a data control. And total value debtor control account debits 6050. Think 6050 debtor control account debit as a sales on a double entry. Debtor control account debit, VAT control account credit, sales account credit. Sales is income, but its VAT value is not our income, that is a liability. Debtor control account debit, VAT control account credit, sales account credit. Amount column, total value should be equal to sales accounts. And think sales return also, sales return account debit, VAT control account debits, debtor control credit. Therefore, amount total value sales return account debit 430 as a debtor control. As a debtor control, it VAT value VAT control account debit 90. VAT control account debit 90 as a debtor control. And total value debtor control account credit 520. Debtor control account credit 520 as a sales return. Think sales return account debit, VAT control account debits, debtor control credit. Sales journal, debtor control account debit, total value, VAT control account credit, sales account credit. Record करना sales journal, debtor control debit, sales account credit, VAT control account credit. But sales return journal, sales return account debit, VAT control account debit, debtor control account credit. Now think cash receipt journal. There are 8 primary books, but in this example, it has not given petty cash payment journal. ඔන්න මේක මම දීලා නැත්තේ petty cash payment journal එක විතරයි. Think from the beginning, transactional events, then source documents, then primary books, then ledger, general ledger and sub ledgers. This is the way you have to prepare general ledger. I will discuss how to prepare trial balance also in the general ledger. Right now, think cash receipt journal also available. Cash receipt journal available, checks and cash receipts. We have discussed how to prepare cash receipt journal already. Now think how to record in the ledger. Information included in the cash receipt journal. Right, total column, total value. If it for cash increase, cash control account debit, cash control account debits, and all other ledger account credit, VAT control credit, sales account credit, debtor control account credit. But you have to prepare separate ledger account for income, rent income, dividends income, commission income. Other also separate ledger account credit. Cash receipt, if it for cash increase, cash control debit directly can be recorded total column, total value. Cash control account debit, VAT control credit, sales account credit, debtor control credit, income separate ledger account credit, other also separate ledger account credit. And think discount allowed also available. Discount allowed account debit, debtor control account credit. Discount allowed is notified for cash. Right. Complete cash receipt journal. If it for cash increase, cash control account debit, all other ledger account credit. Record it. Cash control account available. Total column, total value. If it for cash increase, 7,620. Therefore, cash control account debit 7,620 as a total cash receipts. As a total cash receipts. Cash control debit. All other ledger account credit. VAT control account credit 500 as a cash. And sales account credit. Think sales account available credit, cash sales 2,830. 2,830 as a cash. And debtor control accounts credit 3,300. Debtor control account credit as a cash 3,300. And income separate ledger accounts. You have to prepare three ledger accounts: interest income, rent income, as well as commission income. So dividends income, given interest income, so rent income available, rent income, as well as dividends income, and commission income. Think commission income, credit, total value cash control account debit already, then all other ledger account credit. Therefore, rent income 120 credit side as a cash. Dividends income 90, dividends income 90 credit as a cash. And commission income 150 credit as a cash. 150. Cash account debit, all other ledger account credits. Think total value cash control debits. Then VAT control account credit, sales account credit, and debtor control account credit, income separate ledger account credit. As other column available, bank loan and capital. Think bank loan account available, no need to prepare again. Therefore, 280 as a cash credit. And capital account also available. Capital account credit 350 as a cash. No need to prepare separate ledger accounts. Think total value, cash receipt journal, cash control account debits, cash control account debits, VAT control credit, sales account credit, debtor control account credit, income separate ledger account credit, as well as other also separate ledger account credit. Now then, discount allowed also available. Discount allowed is not fit for cash, but it is fit for debtors. Therefore, you have to prepare separate ledger account as a discount allowed. Debit, debtor control credit. Prepare separate ledger account as a discount allowed. As a discount allowed. Discount allowed. Expense 69. Discount allowed account debit as a debtor control. And debtor control account credit 69 as a discount allowed. As a discount allowed. Think discount allowed account debit, debtor control account credit. Discount allowed account debit, debtor control account credit. Discount allowed is expense. Effect for debtor decrease, not effect for cash. ඔන්න prime end box වල තියෙනවා ledger එකට post කරන විදිය. ඔන්න පළවෙනි step එක හරියද? පටන් ගන්න general journal එකෙන් opening balances are given, prepare the ledger accounts and record given balance as a BPF. After that, purchase journal. Think purchase account debit, VAT control account debit, creditor control credit. Purchase return account credit, VAT control account credit, creditor control accounts debits. Then cash receipt journal, cash control account debit, sales account credit, VAT control account credit, debtor control account credit. Then cash receipt journal, cash control debit, all other ledger account credit, VAT control credit, sales account credit, debtor control credit, income separate ledger account credit, other also separate ledger account credit. Think double entry. Right, now all the primary books recorded in the general ledger. Then calculate closing balance. And you have to know how to prepare trial balance also. Then balance කරන්න. ඔක්කොම balance කරන්න ඕන නෑ. දෙකක් හෝ ඊට වඩා වැඩිපුර තිබුණොත් balance කරන්න. අනිත් ඒවාගේ balance එක ওই පැත්තමයි එන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ හරිනම් balance කරන්න ඕන. නමුත් මම ඔක්කොම balance කරන්න නෑ දැන්. Think how to prepare trial balance also. Summary of the ledger accounts. All the ledger account balance will be carried down now. That prepare the trial balance also like this. Summary of the ledger accounts, trial balance. Think debit side and credit side. Trial balance. Summary of the ledger accounts. description, debit and credit. Trial balance as at 31st March 2024. This side debit and this side credit. Here description. Here rupees million. Gunawardhana million wording. All the ledger accounts closing balance will be recorded here. Prepare the format like this. And calculate closing balance also. Calculate closing balance. Balance should be carried down. Thing you have to know how to prepare trial balance also. Now balance කරන්නේ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා විතරයි. All the closing balance will be recorded in the trial balance. ඊට පස්සේ trial balance එක base කරන තමයි financial statement හදන්න. Right, first one, calculate closing balance and prepare the trial balance. If it is given more information, balance should be carried down. එහෙම නැත්නම් balance එක ඔය තියෙන පැත්තෙම තමයි එන්නේ. දෙකක් හෝ ඊට වඩා වැඩිපුර තිබ්බොත් balance කරන්න. And complete trial balance also. Prepare the trial balance and take the balances. Complete කරන්න බලන්න. Think how to prepare trial balance also. If those are correctly recorded, assets should be equal liability plus equity. Take increase side total value. Take the increase side total value. And you have to know how to prepare debtors and creditors ledger also. The take increase side total amount, difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Right, motor vehicle, debit side total amount equal to 600. Take same value other side. Therefore, as a balance carry down 600. That value should be equal to debit side also same value as a DBF. Calculate closing balance also. Build in debit side increase. Think debit side total amount equal 660. Take same value credit side. Difference value as a carry down 660 as a BBF. And data control debit පැත්ත වැඩි 6850. Take the same value other side 6850. Then difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as balance carry down. Therefore, here balance equal 2891 as a balance carry down. Same value debit side as a balance brought forwards. Credit is a liability, normal credit side increase. Therefore, credit side total amount equal 4191. Take same value debit side. Difference value as a balance carry down. From this value, deduct these three value. Think how to calculate closing balance also. Therefore, as a balance carry down 1878. 878 as a balance brought forward credit side. think VAT control credit පැත්ත වැඩි. Calculate closing balances වැඩි පැත්ත total එක ගන්න. Take same value other side. Difference value carry down. වැඩි පැත්ත total එක ගන්න මුලින්ම. VAT control also normally credit side increase normally. Therefore 1702. Take the same value debit side and difference value as a balance carry down. That value as a balance brought forward credit side. From this value deduct these three value. $587 and cash control account also debit side increase, take same value other side and difference value as a balance carry down. That value should be recorded as a balance brought forward debit side. 7,750 minus 4,615. Therefore here balance equal 3,135. We are going to discuss how to prepare trial balance, summary of the ledger accounts. First one thing, how to record the ledger accounts. Then by closing ledger accounts, you have to prepare summary of the ledger accounts. It is called trial balance. Purchase account also debit side increase 4,310. Take the same value other side and difference value as a balance carry down. Think how to prepare trial balance. Bank loan also. Think bank loan is a liability. Credit පැත්ත වැඩි 1480. Difference value 1440. Carry down. That value should be recorded credit side as a balance brought forwards. Capital also credit පැත්ත වැඩි 1160. Take the same value debit side 1160. Difference value carry down same value 1160. You have to know how to prepare trial balance also. Think double entry system. All the business organization and sales. මම ඔක්කොම බැලන්ස් කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. දෙකක් හෝ ඊට වඩා වැඩියෙන් තියෙන ටික විතරයි. Practically ඔක්කොම බැලන්ස් කරන්න ඕන. 7,730. Take same value debit side. Difference value as a balance carry down. 7,730. That value should be recorded credit side also as a balance brought forward. Right. Calculate closing balance like that. And all the closing balance will be records trial balance. See the BBF value. If BBF available debit side, should be record debit side. If balance brought forward available credit side, should be record credit side. पण හරියනම් ledger accounts ටික ඔක්කොම balance කරන්න ඕන. නමුත් මම මෙතන balance එක ගන්නේ දෙකක් හෝ ඊට වඩා වැඩිපුර තියෙන ටික විතරයි. balance කරේ නැත්නම් ඊට balance කරන්න. And prepare the trial balance. Trial balance එක balance වෙනවද කියලා බලන්න. Think trial balance available assets, liability, income, expense and equity. I will discuss later based on trial balance how to prepare financial statement. අපි දැන් ඉස්සරහදී discuss කරන්න යන්නේ ඔන්න ඔය හදන trial balance එක base කරගෙන you have to know how to prepare income statement and statement of financial position. Right, prepare the trial balance also now. Summary of the ledger accounts. මොකද දැන් මුලින් ඉඳන් හදාගෙන ඉන්න motor vehicle, building, land. See the BBF value. මොකද දැන් උඩින් පල්ලෙන් කරන්න එපා මේ හැම balance එකක්ම trial balance එකේ දාන්න. If it has available debit side as a BBF, should be record debit side. Motor vehicle assets. Complete trial balance. Motor vehicle 600 debit side. Building 660. Building 660. Land 290. Land 209. Fixed deposits 410. If it is available debit side. Think how to prepare trial balance. We are going to discuss how to prepare financial statement based on trial balance. And think creditor control liability. So debtor control. So fixed deposits. Then inventory available. Inventory 250. On a purchase done by inventory account එකට you have to prepare separate ledger account for purchase. Then discount receipts 60 credit side. Discount allowed expense 69. Discount allowed 69 debit side. Debtor control assets debit side. Debtor 2891. Creditor control liability credit side. Prepare the trial balance. Creditor 1878. VAT control 587. VAT control 587. Liability. Cash assets debit side 3135. Purchase. Think purchase 4310. If it has available debit side, should be record debit side trial balance. Bank loan credit side. Summary of the ledger accounts. Bank loan 1440. Capital also credit side 1160. Bad debts can expense देगा. All the ledger accounts should be record trial balance 70. Electricity expense debit side 90. But accrual electricity liability 90. And purchase also available. Think purchase. The purchase return. Electricity, there is a mistake here. Electricity, there are two ledger accounts. When you make it, මෙතනම දාගන්න ඕන. මේක අයින් කරලා දාන්න මෙතනින්. Therefore electricity 120 electricity expense account available. Therefore here has a cash. Accounts දෙකක් තියන්න බෑ. Therefore electricity expense account balance. Trial balance will be recorded as electricity total value 210. Electricity paid amount available. Opening balance. Actual electricity also given. On electricity balance එක හදාගන්න 210. No need to prepare separate ledger account for electricity. Therefore here 210 electricity. Purchase return credit side as a purchase return. Advertisement 270. Advertisement 270 expense. Loan interest also expense 10. Expense normal debit side. Loan interest. Loan interest. And sales income credit side. Sales 7,730. Sales. and sales return 430, sales return 430, rent income 120, credit side, dividends income 90, dividends income, as well as commission income also 150. Right, normally debit side available, asset and expense. Think how to prepare trial balance also. First one, you have to know how to record information in the primary books. Then you have to know how to record information in the ledger by using double entry system. Then by closing ledger accounts, think how to prepare trial balance also. But me යනකොට වාරදින plan 10 තියෙනවා 3ක් 4ක් තියෙනවා බලන්න. If errors can be occur when information recorded in the primary books. Errors can be occur when information recorded in the primary books. And errors can be occur when information recorded in the ledger accounts. And when balancing ledger accounts, errors can be occur. And when preparing trial balance, also errors can be occur. Right, now take the total value trial balance. Debit side total amounts will be equal credit side total amounts. ගාන හරිනම් දෙපැත්ත balance වෙන්න ඕන. ගාන දෙපැත්ත totally equal කියලා බලන්න. Complete trial balance and take the total value also. Debit පැත්ත total එක ගන්න. ගාන balance වෙනවද කියලා බලන්න. If those are correctly recorded, debit side total amounts will be equal credit side total amounts. Debit side total amounts will be equal credit side total amounts. Think double entry system should be applied only general ledger. Complete trial balance. Think double entry system as well as single entry system. I will discuss later debtors and creditors ledger also. But debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. Debtors and creditors ledger, you have to apply only single entry system. I take the total value. Debit side total amounts will be equal credit side total amounts. Therefore, total value equal 13,605. Therefore, here total amount equal both sides 13,605. Credit side also same way 13,605. Think double entry system. और step 4ක් අපි දැන් ගිහලා තියෙන්නේ. මුලින්ම කරන්නේ transaction events. Changes in resource of the business organization should be recognized as a transaction and events. Second one, information should be collected by using source documents. Process එක හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න ඉස්සරවම. ඒ කියන්නේ හැම business එකම මුලින්ම කරන්නේ changes in resource of the business organization should be recognized as a transaction and events. After that, information should be collected by using source documents. After that, information should be recorded in the primary books. After that, information should be recorded in the ledger. Fourth step එක main අපි. Transaction and events, source documents, primary books and ledger. මුලින්ම කරන්නේ transaction එකක් event එකක් කියලා වෙන් කරගන්න ඕන. ඊට පස්සේ information collect කරන්න ඕන. ඒව primary books වල record කරන්න ඕන. දැන් primary books වල තියෙනවා තමයි ledger එකට post කරන්න. කොහොම යනකොට දැන් 4ක් තියෙනවා වර්ධින්න පුළුවන්. Errors can be occur when information recorded in the primary books. Errors can be occur when information recorded in the ledger accounts. Errors can be occur when balancing ledger accounts. මේක record කරනකොට වැරදි පැත්තට වැරදි amount එකක් ගියොත් ගාන balance වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔක්කොම record කරලා balance කරනකොට වැරදුනොත් debit side overcasted, credit side overcasted, debit side undercasted, like that. අඩුවෙන් අරන් වැඩියෙන් අරන්. When balancing ledger accounts also errors can be occur. ඔක්කොම හරියට කරලා මේක තන දානකොට when information record in the trial balance වැරදි පැත්තට දැම්මොත් වැරදි amount එකක් දැම්මොත් වැරදි amount එකක් වැරදි පැත්තට දැම්මොත් ගාන balance වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට තමයි ඊළඟ පාඩම එන්නේ. බලන්න මේ යන process එක තේරුණොත් තමයි ඊළඟ පාඩම තේරෙන්නේ හරියට. මේක record කරන වර්ධින්න පුළුවන්. balance කරන වර්ධින්න පුළුවන්. ඔක්කොම හරියට නැතල trial balance එක හදනකොට වර්ධින්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් errors can be occur there are four situations. Next lesson error correction. Part of lesson 4. And data control account balance. මෙන්න මේ balance එක list එකේ balance එකට equal වෙන්න ඕන. Data control account balance be equal data list balance. Creditor control account balance be equal creditor list balance. Think there is no any individual debtors and creditors in the general ledger. මෙතන individual කට්ටිය තියන්නේ නැහැ කවුරු. ඒගොල්ලෝ වෙනුවෙන් තමයි මෙන්න මේක තියෙන්නේ control account එක. We have to maintain separate ledger for debtors and creditors ledger. Debtors ledger and creditors ledger. Those are called sub ledgers. Right? If those are correctly recorded, in sub ledgers there is no double entry. We have to apply single entry system. Therefore, if those are correctly recorded, debtor control account balance will be equal debtor list balance. Creditor control account balance will be equal creditor list balance. If those two balances are not equal, next lesson debtor reconciliation and creditors reconciliation. අන්නේ පාඩම් දෙකටම බේස් එක වැටෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ පාඩමේ. error correction suspense account තේරෙනවද නැද්ද කියන එක තේරෙන්නේ මේක තේරුණොත්. data reconciliation creditors reconciliation ඒ lesson එක තේරෙනවද නැද්ද කියන එක තේරෙන්නේ ඊළඟ පාඩමේ sub ledger තේරුණොත්. හරි. මේක complete නැත්නම් ඉස්සරම complete කරගන්න. Then I will discuss debtors ledger and creditors ledger. Debtor list also. ඔන්න බලන්න additional 9 වල තියෙනවා debtors ලගේ opening balance වල total එක තියෙනවා බලන්න. additional 9 බලන්න චුට්ටක් ගිහලා. Individual debtors account opening balance is given. Individual debtors and creditors opening balance is given. ඔන්න දැන් debtors ledger අපි හදනකොට think debtor there are four debtors available. මාලක, තාරක, නාලක, ජානක. Four ledger accounts. And those values should be recorded as a balance board forwards. මෙන්න මේ විදිහ balance board forward කියලා දාගන්න අපි debtors ලගේ. ඊට පස්සේ අපි යනවා sales journal එකට. Effect for debtor sales journal. Think sales effect for debtor increase should be recorded debit side. Sales return effect for debtor decrease should be recorded credit side. ඔන්න හදන විදිය බලන්න. Effect for debtor credit sales return. And think cash receipt journal it has given discount allowed. Discount allowed also effect for debtor decrease credit කරන්න ඕන. Cash receipt on debtor think debtor receipts effect for debtor decrease credit. And given bad debts also in the general journal, given bad debts janaka effect for janaka credit should be recorded credit side. On a debtors ledger hadana vidiya. For debtors available, opening balance also given. You have to consider sales journal, sales return journal, cash receipt journal. Think about discount allowed column and cash receipt from debtor. Bad debts also given. Right. Prepare for ledger accounts. Topic debtors ledger. There are four debtors available. Prepare for ledger accounts. Opening balance also given. Data is assets. Single entry system should be applied, not double entry. On a double entry system කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Single entry කියන්නේ මොකද්ද කියලා තේරුම් ගන්න. හරි. මේ ටික මම අයින් කරනවා මෙතනින්. ඉතින් මේ control එක විතරයි තියාගන්නේ. මොකද මේක equal වෙන්න ඕන list එකට. අන්න ඒක පෙන්වන්න ඕන නිසා මේ ටික මම අයින් කරනවා. Debtors ledger and creditors ledger. Think how to prepare debtor list also and creditor list. If those are correctly recorded. ඔන්න record කරන විදිය හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න. මොකද ඒක වැරදුනොත් ඊළඟ පාඩම එනවා debtor reconciliation, creditors reconciliation. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger, but debtors and creditors ledger there is no double entry. We have to apply single entry system. Right from the beginning, I'm going to discuss debtors ledger. There are four debtors. Debtors ledger. quality accounts, and think how to prepare data list also. You have to calculate closing balance also, summary of the details accounts, and think how to prepare data list also. One list එක මෙතන හදනවා data list එක. Name and amount. There are 4 data available. Right. Additional 9. Prepare 4 ledger accounts. Data Malaka. Taraka. As well as Nalaka. Nalaka. And Jan. This one data list. Data list. Name and amount. හදාගන්න මේ ටික ඉස්සරම. Additional 9 it has given opening balance also. Think how to prepare details ledger and data list. All the individual details account available details ledger, and there is no double entry in the details ledger. You have to apply single entry system. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. On general ledger එකේ control එක විතරයි තියාගෙන තියෙන්නේ. මොකද මට කියලා දෙන්න ඕනේ මේ control එකේ balance එකයි list එකේ balance එකයි equal වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒක equal නැත්නම් තමයි ඊළඟ lesson එක එන්නේ. For debtors, additional 9 given opening balance, record values in million, data assets, there is no double entry. If effect for data increase, debit side. If effect for data decrease, credit side. දැන් බලන්න details වලට effect වෙන්නේ මොනවද කියලා තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ. ඒ තමයි theory parts. Normal effect for data increase, credit sales. All other thing effect for data decrease. It means sales return, cash receipt on data, discount allowance, bad debts. Effect for data decrease. Details වල debit වෙන්නේ credit sales විතරයි. අනිත් ඔක්කොම credit වෙන්නේ. Sales return, discount allowance, cash receipts and bad debts. Right. First one, take the balances. Additional 8. Record balance in million, rupees million, MN. Data. Malaka 180. Debit side as a BBF. Taraka 170. Debit side BBF. Nalaka 240. Debit side BBF. Janaka 210. Debit side as a BBF. Balance board forwards. Then sales journal sales effect for data increase. Therefore, data account should be debit. There is no double entry. මෙතන double entry එකක් යන්නේ නැහැ. Data කියන්නේ asset එකක්. වැඩි වෙන ඔක්කොම debit කරන්න ඕන. අඩු වෙනවා credit කරන්න ඕන. It is called single entry system. Effect for data increase only credit sales. And given credit sales 1800. Malaka debit as a sales. And Taraka debits. Total value with that price. VAT එකත් එක්ක දාන්න අපි as a sales. Effect for data increase debit side. And 1600. Nalaka as sales. Janaka 1200 as a sales. Debit side. Then effect for data increase single entry system. Make a debit වුණාට ආයෙ වෙන කොහොමද අපි credit කරන්නේ නැහැ. And think sales return 145 as a sales return credit side. With that price should be records. VAT එකත් එක්ක අපි දාන්නේ sales return credit side. Effect for data decrease. And 95 as a sales return. And 110 as a sales return. Effect for data decrease. And then cash receipt journal also, cash receipt from data available and discount allowed available. See the cash receipt journal, discount allowed, effect for data decrease, credit कराना. See the cash receipt journal, discount allowed, effect for data decrease, credit side, and given all four debtors as a discount allowed. Think single entry system, not double entry. Effect for data decrease, credit side. See the cash receipt journal data column also, data receipts. Cash receipt from data is given. Effect for data decrease, credit side 850. See the details column, cash receipt journal as a cash. And 880 Tharaka as a cash. Nalaga 790 as a cash. Janak also given 780. That is a cash receipt from data. Think single entry system, there is no double entry. Data is assets. If asset increase should be recorded debit side. If asset decrease should be recorded credit side. Only sales effect for data increase with VAT price. VAT එකත් එක්ක දාන්නේ. Sales and also should be recorded together with VAT. And given general journal, bad debts also given. Additional 7. Bad debts account debit, debtor control account credit, Janaka 70. Therefore, Janaka effect for data decrease, credit side 70 as a bad debts. As a bad debts. Right. This is the way you have to maintain debtors ledger. There are more debtors available. In the general ledger, only one ledger accounts. It is called debtor control. Then calculate closing balance also and prepare summary of the ledger accounts. It is called debtor list. Therefore, think how to prepare debtor list also in the debtors ledger. Debtors ledger. Calculate closing balances. Calculate closing balance and complete debtor list also. Think single entry system. There are 4 debtors available. All the individual debtors account available separate ledger. On general ledger එකේ debtors වල දාන්න බෑ. ඒ වෙනුවෙන් තමයි control account එක තියෙන්නේ. Right, debit side increase. Calculate closing balances. Mark 1800, so 980. Credit side increase 1980. Take the same value credit side and difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down 970. 970 debit side BBF. Like that, all the ledger accounts debit side increase. Therefore, 1620. 1620. Difference value as a balance carry down 554 as a carry down. That value should be recorded debit side as a BBF. Nalaka also same way. Nalaka assets 1840. 1840. Then difference value from this value deduct these 3 value. Therefore, 941 balance carry down. That value should be recorded debit side as a BBF. Balance both forwards. We are going to prepare data list summary of the dealers accounts. Janaka 1410. 1410. and difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down 426. Therefore 426 as a balance carry down. That value should be recorded debit side as a balance brought forwards. Closing balance. Then prepare the data list also. Name and amounts. All the individual details account closing balance should be records. Data is assets. That complete data list. Think about single entity system and compare with control account balance also. Compare with control account balance. If those are correctly recorded, data control account balance would be equal data list balance. Complete data list also. If those are correctly recorded, data list balance would be equal data control account balance. Right. Name and amounts. Malaka 970. Taraka 554. Nalaka 941. And Janaka 426. Calculate total value also. If those are correctly recorded, data list balance would be equal data control account balance. Think data control account balance will be equal 2891. Think these two values. Data control account balance equal data list balance. If those two balance are not equal, next lesson data reconciliation. For දැන් ඔයත් එක හිතන්න මේක equal වෙන්නේ නැත්තේ මොනවා වුණොත්ද? මේක වැරදි පැත්තට ගියොත් මේක balance කරන්න වැරදුනොත් වැරදි amount එකක් දැම්මොත් මේක වර්ධිනවා බලන්න. ඒ වගේම control එකෙත් වැරදි පැත්තට දාලා තිබුණොත් වැරදි amount එකක් දාලා තිබුණොත් balance කරන්න වැරදුනොත් මේක වර්ධිනවා. අන්න එහෙම වැරදිලා තිබුණොත් තමයි ඊළඟ පාඩම එන්නේ. data reconciliation. ඔයත් එක හිතන්න මේ balance දෙක equal වෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්නේ මොන වගේ දෙයක් වුණොත්ද කියලා. Think debtors. Effect for data increase only credit sales. එතන credit sales debit පැත්තට දාන්න ඕනේ. credit පැත්තට දැම්මොත්. Discount allowed sales return bad tips cash receipts should be recorded credit side. ඒවා debit පැත්තට දාලා තිබුණොත් වැරදි amount එකක් දාලා තිබුණොත් balance කරනකොට වැරදිලා තිබුණොත් list එකේ balance එකයි control balance එකයි equal වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට එනවා ඊළඟ පාඩම debtors reconciliation. Think debtors ledger and debtor list and prepare creditors ledger also. There are 4 creditors available. Think 4 creditors. Make complete නැත්නම් complete කරගන්න. And 4 creditors available. Prepare creditors ledger also and prepare creditor list also. You have to consider purchase journal, purchase return journal, and cash payment journal. Effect for creditor, cash paid for creditors, discount receipts, credit purchase, purchase return, and opening balance also given. Right, additional 8. Additional 8 it is given. Creditors opening balance. මෙන්න මේක තමයි බලන්න ඕනේ. Opening balance available here. 4 creditors. Netuki, Senuki, Amal, Vimal. And see the purchase journal. Given from the beginning purchase journal. Effect for credit increase credit side as a purchase with that price. On VAT එකත් එක ගන්න credit පැත්තට දාන්න ඕනේ. Purchase return with that price should be equal debit side. And think cash paid for creditors available. Cash paid for creditors debit side. Discount receipts also debit side. That complete creditors ledger, there are 4 creditors available, 4 ledger accounts. There are 4 ledger accounts, 4 creditors. Prepare the creditors accounts. Four ledger accounts. Creditors ledger. Creditors ledger. Prepare the 4 ledger accounts. 4 creditors. And opening balance available additional fourth one. Let's prepare the 4 ledger accounts. Four ledger accounts. You have to consider credit purchase, purchase return, as well as cash paid for creditors and discount receipts. Prepare the creditor list also. Summary of the ledger accounts. Creditor list. Right, opening balance available additional 8. Write the name and take the balances. Netuki, Senuki, Amal, Bimal. Credit is a liability. Additional 8. Given opening balance, record valuation million, rupees million. Opening balance brought forward credit side. Netuki 220 and Senuki 250. Senuki 250 as a balance brought forward. Amal 80 as a balance brought forward. And Bimal also given 150 as a balance brought forward. Opening balance liability, credit side. Think creditors ledger, there is no double entry. You have to apply single entry system. Single entry system. Then purchase journal done. With Fed price should be records. Effect for credit increase. Therefore, credit side as a purchase. Then creditors la වැඩි වෙන ඔක්කොම credit කරන්න ඕන. As a purchase 900. Senuki 980 as a purchase. And Amal 770 as a purchase. Bimal 840 as a purchase. Effect for credit increase, credit side. And then purchase return 106 debit side as a purchase return. Senuki 94 as a purchase return. Effect for credit decrease, debit side, single entry system. Think as a purchase return. Bimal 70 as a purchase return. Single entry. At the same time, see the cash payment journal. It has given cash paid for creditors and discount receipts. You have to consider discount receipt also. And think payment to creditors. Payment to creditors 490 debit side as a cash. Senuki also payment to creditors 530 as a cash. And creditors Amal 430 as a cash. And payment to Bimal 450 as a cash. Cash paid for creditors. And discount is also given. Think discount receipts 17. Effect for creditor decrease. Think about single entry system. There is no double entry. If effect for credit decrease, debit side. And if effect for credit increase, credit side. Discount receipts. Think double entry system should be applied only general ledger. මොනවද creditors ලා වැඩි වෙනම credit පැත්තට යන්නේ. Effect for credit increase only credit purchase. Purchase return, cash paid for creditors, discount receipts. Effect for creditor decrease. And calculate closing balance also. You have to prepare creditor list also. This one creditor list. Credit list name as well as amount. Calculate closing balances and complete credit list also. Credit is liability. Credit පැත්ත වැඩි. Calculate closing balances. Closing balance will be record creditors list. Summary of the creditors accounts list. Think trial balance cannot be prepared creditors ledger. On a trial balance එක මෙතන හදන්න බැරි හේතුව තමයි double entry එකක් යන්නේ නැති නිසා. Right, balance should be carried down. Credit side increase 1120, 1120. Difference value as a balance carried down, as a balance brought forwards. 1120 minus 106 minus 490 minus 70. Therefore 507. Like that, calculate closing balances. Normally credit පැත්ත වැඩි පැත්තේ total එක ගන්න 1230. Process එක තේරුම් ගන්න. Our duty, we are going to prepare financial statement to provide information to the interest party. ඔන්න යන path එක බලන්න. Right, difference value as a balance carry down 593. Creditors liability credit පැත්ත වැඩි. Take same value debit side and difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Balance carry down from debit side to credit side. Think double entry system as well as single entry system. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. But debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. You have to apply single entry system. Therefore here 452. මේ පාර්ට් එක තේරුම් ගන්න උඩරම try එකක් දෙන්න ළමයි. ඒත් මේකෙන් තමයි ඊළඟ පාඩම් දෙකම බේස් එක වැටෙන්නේ. Error correction, suspense accounts, profit correction, debtors and creditors reconciliation. Then prepare summary of the ledger account also. It is called creditors list. නමයි closing balance එකයි දාන්න. Netuki balance equal 507. Senuki balance 593. Amal balance equal 326. As well as Bimal closing balance equal 452. And take the closing balance also. Think how to prepare creditors list. Everything closing balance, if those are correctly recorded, debtor creditor control account balance would be equal creditor list balance. Therefore here 1878. If it has correctly recorded, think creditor list balance will be equal creditor control account balance. Creditor control account balance will be equal credit list balance. Debtor control account balance will be equal debtor list balance. Think debtors ledger, creditors ledger. Double entry system should be applied only general ledger. But debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. You have to apply single entry system. But then ledger එකත් හරි. We have discussed how to record information in primary books, and we have discussed how to record those information in the ledger. General ledger, sub ledgers. Double entry බලන්න තේරුම් ගන්න දේ තමයි double entry system එක යන්නේ only general ledger. Debtors and creditors ledger, there is no double entry. ඒ කියන්නේ error correction කියන part එක එන්නේ general ledger එකේ විතරයි. Debtors ලාගේ creditors ලාගේ වැරදුනොත් double entry වලින් correct කරන්න බෑ අපිට. We have to prepare debtors and creditors reconciliation. Reconciliation හදන්න හේතුව තමයි double entry එක කරන්න නැති නිසා error correction කරන්න බෑ මේකේ. Debtors and creditors ledger වල. error correction එන්නේ general ledger එකේ විතරයි. ඒ විතරයි double entry වලින් correct කරන්න පුළුවන්. මොකද debtors and creditors ledger there is no double entry. Therefore, if it has given errors, cannot be correct by using double entry. බලන්න මේකේ තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ මෙන්න මේ control එකේ balance එකයි. මෙන්න මේ part එක හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න ළමයි. Debtor control account balance will be equal debtor less balance. Debtor control accounts. Creditor control account balance equal creditor less balance. Therefore, double entry system available general ledger. Debtors and creditors ledger single entry. Single entry කියන්නේ මේක debit වුණාට වෙන කොහොමද credit කරන්නේ නැහැ අපි. Debtor is assets. Normally asset increase debit side. දැන් බලන්න debtors වල වැඩි වෙන්නේ effect වෙන්නේ credit sales විතරයි. අනිත් ඔක්කොම ඒ කියන්නේ sales return, discount allowed, cash receipts, bad debts. Effect for debtor decrease. Purchase creditors also same way. Effect for credit increase only credit purchase, but purchase return, cash paid for creditors, discount receipts, effect for creditor decrease. For then ප්‍රධාන කොටස් දෙකක් ඉවරයි දැන් අපි. We have discussed all the primary books and we have discussed how to record those information in the general ledger and debtors and creditors ledger. දැන් මෙතන ගන්න තියෙන්නේ band reconciliation තියෙනවා, debtors and creditors reconciliation, error correction as well as suspense accounts. Right, from next week I'll discuss band reconciliation part, then I'll discuss error correction suspense account. මේ පාඩම ළමයි අමාරු වැදගත් ඒ වගේ. අපි දැන් මේ ඔක්කොම කරලා අන්තිමට කරන්න හදන්නේ sole proprietorship partnership company වල you have to know how to prepare income statement and statement of financial position. මේ තමයි යන process එක. කියන්නේ business එක මොකක් වුණත් මේ path එක යන්න ඕන. ඒක trial balance එක ගන්න ඕන. ඒක equal නැත්නම් error correction කරන්න ඕන. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි adjustment එන්නේ. එතන ගියාට තමයි organization එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. sole proprietorship partnership company. තව මේ lesson එක අපිට තියෙනවා කොටස් දෙකක් ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන්. reconciliation තියෙනවා, error correction, profit correction, suspense accounts. Next week I'll discuss band reconciliation part. Band reconciliation. Then debtors and creditors reconciliation, error correction, suspense accounts. මේ part එක තමයි ටිකක් අමාරු. මේකට වඩා අමාරුයි ඒක. මේ part එක හොඳට clear කරගන්න. හරි, ප්‍රශ්න මොකක්ද තියෙනවද මට දාන්න message එකක්. මේ සති මම මේ වගේ ගානක් දානවා තව ගෙදරින් හදන්න. ඒක හදලා මට දාන්න බලන්න. හරි, එහෙනම් next week අපි හම්බෙමු. Good night.